Guys, a lot of you have been asking why do I have big belly peppers in my farm, and some people are saying that they've also planted their own green peppers and they are very small, they don't grow big, and they were asking what fertilizers do I give to my belly peppers. So today I'm going to be answering the question of how do you actually get the big belly peppers in your farm. So what you simply do is that you abort some of the flowers on your plant. This is the method what we called fruit balancing. So what happens is that when your plant have so many fruits whereby it cannot actually give those fruits enough nutrients for them to actually thrive and grow to become big. So what you do is that you balance your plant by actually aborting some of the flowers on your tree. That's how you simply actually do it. There's no need for you to go to the store, buy fertilizers, because they're really too expensive, those fertilizers. So what I normally do is that I look at a plant, and where I see that there's so many flowers on one stem, I actually remove most of them. I can even leave one in most of the case, or I leave two. It depends on how strong the plant it is, because some plants are very small, they cannot contain so much fruits on them. That's why you'll find most cases your plant have lot of fruits, but the fruits are not growing to be big, they remain small. So what you do something called fruit balancing. Looking at some of these trees here, it has so many fruits, but looking at the fruits, they're very small. The reason being is that the fruits are too many for the plant, so the plant cannot give these fruits enough nutrients for them to actually grow. So if you look to this other plant, where this plant has few fruits but the fruits are really big. Why? It's because the tree can actually feed the fruits enough nutrients that are needed on the fruits to actually thrive and grow and become big. So this is how I actually been dealing with my belly peppers so far. So now we have reached a stage where our belly peppers are turning to be red. So most of you guys have asked in the previously, what kind of variety do I have on my farm when concerning the belly peppers? So today I'm going to be answering your question. I'm having a red sweet pepper. So that's the one that I have currently on my farm. And something that I have discovered is that the fruits take time to actually turn to red, but if your plants have stayed longer on your field, they tend to turn red quicker as time goes on. So it has to do in this is my theory, guys. So in my theory, I think for your fruits to turn to their full potential of maturity, it also has to do with the tree. So when you have a tree that have been in the farm for a very long time, let's say it's now about like 5 months since we have planted these trees, to 6 months, and we're starting to have so many red belly peppers now. So this simply means that the trees have already reached their fully potential maturity to actually give us the right or the red sweet peppers now. So guys, this is Makwal Agri. Thanks for watching my videos. Dango.